Hello everybody, this is going to be a very quick video in which I'll be updating the Laragine package. It's basically a Laravel package that helps developers create um, code in a very neat and clean way. So I wanted to make some changes because I have noticed um, some issues with the package. So I'm going to make these updates like right now. So let's go ahead and make those changes. So first thing first, I have created a couple of issues here. So yes, I'm going to fix these issues. So let's first make sure that we are in the development branch, and um, yeah, this is it. Not this actually. I want to rebase the development branch with the um, with the main branch. So second, this is, we have the main, and we want to, oh sorry, not to merge, we want to rebase it. So we will rebase the main with the development branch. So let's do this. Okay, no comments. I think no comments to rebase. Okay, so I think we are all in a good we can make the changes. So yeah, okay, so what we need to do is to go first for this. This is, which one is, yeah, this is 28 and this is 29. So let's start with this one first. We need to update the JSON variable in this. So I'm gonna copy this and I'll go over. Sorry. We need to update what to be something like current JSON in okay, because we do have here we go, we do have this JSON. So yeah, this is the JSON. Tested should get listing of the resource. Yeah, this is the guy. Yeah, okay, so I think, yeah, this is the JSON here and here. This is JSON, this is JSON. Yeah, let's search for JSON written this way. It's this guy. So instead of putting it this way, I will have to update it, oh sorry, to be something like current JSON, just to differentiate this one with this JSON, which is this one here in the setup. Okay, so this is the first thing. All right, the other thing is to the same thing as above for the model in API controller. So let me copy this and paste it here, And where's this update and destroy? So this model, the model, where's the update, where's the destroy? Okay, this is the update and this is the destroy. So this model, let me copy it, select it and select it here, 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 and here. So yeah, this has to be like current model, like this. Okay. So we have fixed this issue. So this is issue number 28. So let me add a comment and get comment dash dash m fix 28. Okay, so that's clear. Okay, this is the first issue. The second issue is let's get back to the issues. Adding an example of using pagination in the docs. So we need to add an example of how to use the pagination in the docs. The pagination. Where to put it? I think if we go over to the getting started section, this is how to start, this is the module, and this is the unit. Okay. I'm not sure, but I think for now I will put it in the introduction, here in the introduction, maybe in the notes here, the system response including, I don't really want to put, this is the structure, this is the success. Okay, let me add it in the notes here. So this way, yeah, I'll put it in the introduction. So so I think docs, introduction, and down on the notes section here, let me copy the okay, let me copy this guy and let me add it here, to use pagination. Not sure how I'll copy and paste it, but you can use the following and let's put it this way. For example, let's add it in the let's say index, for example index method in the controller like this. So I think this is to use pagination, or the pagination. You can use the following example index method in the controller. Yes, like the base controller. like this guy. So we can do it in the index here. Anyways, in the in the in the base controller like this. Okay, this is the base controller. Okay, let me see how it looks. Okay, let's just to use the pagination. Um, you can use the following example index method in the base controller, return this send response, and the other guys, and this is the 30. We are going to return like 30 rows or 30 objects to be concise here. So yeah, okay, get status clear. Let's add it. Let's delete this. Get add all, get -m, and let's say fix 29, and yes. I do have a couple of other issues, but or couple of other things that I really want to do, but I'm not going to create issues for them. I will have to, you know, I will update them like uh, like uh, directly without making any issues on GitHub. So let me show you what kind of issues I really want to do or to fix. There is a couple of things. Okay, I want to remove all these curly braces because when I do copy and paste, you know, you are copying all these stuff, and when you do this in the terminal, it's, you know, it's very it's not, you know, you have to remove all these curly braces every time you copy the command. So I'm going to remove these curly braces, and just, you know, we have to copy this, and then we have to put in the module name. This is I'm going to do this for all the other commands as well. So let me go and change all of that. So yes, let's start with here. First thing first, anything that is like this, we don't, it should be in it. This has not, this is not this. So this guy and this guy will be deleted. This guy and this guy will be deleted. So yes, Command F. Let me search for this, or just, yeah. I think, yeah. Here we go. Do we have this in many areas? So let me search for that. Okay, let's put this. Let's put this, and let's put this. Let's put this guy as well. So in the unit here, I'm just going to delete this and delete this and delete this and delete this. So unit name and unit name, and then the module equals the module. Okay, I think this is better, although we are going to remove all this, but yeah, this is okay. Okay, let's keep it this way. I'm not sure if this is the best. Okay, let's keep it this way. Okay, we can't re-change it, so here we go. Let's update this and this. We don't really need this. We don't really need this. We are going to remove this, and we are going to remove this. We don't. This has to be in it directly, and no need for this. No need for this as well. So yeah, let's get back. So those are the commands, the module name, okay. The configuration, the error handling, there are no commands here. Getting started, okay. Let me copy this, I want to check it out if we do have it. Okay, this is, I think this is the last one. So this is it, yeah. So introduction, status, and a couple of introductions. The logs, okay. No commands, middlewares, and we do have another middleware, which is okay. I'm not going to add it here because I don't remember it. Okay, let me search for this as well. Okay, this is the only one left for the module, so let me put it this way. This is the structure testing, how to test. Okay, everything is good right now. So yeah, I'm going to remove all these stuff. Now I want to get back to the first issue because I want to go over to the unit test, this guy. This is the unit tests, but actually it inherits from the test case. There is, what is this? This is a model, and there's something in the test I want to add. This is the new, this is okay, this is the unit test. Okay, let's keep it open here. I want to go over to the base, and yes, this is the test case. This is the one that we are using in every new generated unit test for every unit. And basically what I really want to add here is to add a couple of methods that will be like used in every unit. So there are, these methods will be repeated over and over in every new generated unit. So instead of repeating the functions over and over and over, I'm going to cut all of these. It's basically the same, so I'm going to cut all of these. I'll just keep the setup here because the URL will be changed. This data model factory to array. Let's just cut this first, and yeah, let's save it here, and let's go to the test case here, and I will put it like in here. Okay, so those will be repeated. Those are the files basically, or not the files, the methods you know, the methods that will be used in every new generated unit test. And I think this way everything is clear. um, let's copy all the other stuff. I'm not sure, but okay, let's copy these protected as well, these attributes. So I'm going to cut this, guys, and I will put it in the test case above, like, okay, in here, because we are going to inherit from this guy. So yeah, this is basically it. The base controller, the setup, and the JSON, and all these kind of stuff. Okay, so yes, use refresh and JSON, and we are going to use these members in the you know, derived classes. So those are the guys here, and the unit test is here, and this is setting up public function setup. The base URL will be changed because this is the one that we want to do. The model, what is the model factory, which is, yeah, this guy, this one, and we are going to make it from here. Okay, awesome. The JSON, this JSON, get JSON structure. I'm not sure, hold on a second. I think I can add setup here, but I'm not going to add it. Let's keep all these you know, setup and all these kind of stuff here, because this data model as key value, okay, this has to be here. The one that needs or those guys, maybe we can add them in the parent setup, but I will keep him. I'll keep those here. Just, yeah, to keep everything like in place. So this is the test case. I think, yeah, this is much better now. So let's clear git status. Let me add git add all, or just there is another thing I remembered, which is yes, in the source, when we do I think in the handler here, where it is, this send exception, this is the response, and this is the E, not this, I think, no, this send exception response, which is response, send response, core based traits, response, send response, is success. Yeah, here's the E, which is an object of the send exception response E. So yes, I have to change the message. This is the body actually, so I need to put also the body of, you know, we are returning this if by default. So what I really need to do is to make a condition here. So if the condition, if the .env the log, sorry, not the log, the debug is true, I will have to return the message, being the exception message. And if it's not true, then this is the errors. If it's not true, then we are going to return like a static message like this. So I'm not sure how to get it, but let's say if true, just for now, if true, let's say the message will be equal to how to get it, get message, yes, this guy. So I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna put it here. Also what is the errors? Errors. Errors, for each errors as field error. I think also we need to put here errors, which is by default is going to be equal to an empty array, and I'll get this errors and I'll put it here like this. Let's also cut this here and put it here instead, and so I have here is the errors and here is the message, and if report blah blah blah, if true, then the message is going to be to get the message, and also the errors, we need to get the errors, and it's going to be equal to errors this way. I hope that it returns an array here. So here's the errors and here's the message. This is the errors and this is the message. So if true, do all these stuff. So yes, this is but this is what is I want to remember let's say get laravel check if debug mode is enabled. Okay, how can I check? Okay, env equal to true. Yes, app debug. So yes, if equal to true, if app debug equals true, then do all these kind of stuff. So yeah, status and get add on comment dash m updates. Okay, I have pushed to the develop to the dev branch. Let me go ahead and check it out. Okay, let's go to the development branch. 16 comments bind. What is the we do have GitHub actions in place, so we may wait until it's finished. So everything is great, and not sure why the 3 comments ahead, 16 comments behind. So let me get back to the to here, and want to rebase with the development. Start rebase. Okay, so let's get status. I think git merge, yes, and then okay, git push. Okay, so if we do a rebase again, where's rebase? Okay, everything is good. I will have to check again the development. Seven commits ahead of main. Okay, I'll have to wait a little bit. Okay, just want to get to check out the updates. Did I say updates? I think. Okay. So okay, so let's compare and pull request. Yeah, let's keep it div. Don't really care. Create pull request, and yes, merge the pull request. Okay, confirm merge, and closed. So if we go over to the Laragine, the issues have been fixed. Okay, and there is no open issues. And if we go back to the Laragine here, let's wait a little bit. You know, we do have GitHub actions, so we are doing some stuff. You know, here's the GitHub action, and if we look at the workflows, here's the what we do basically, and this is basically we do run some tests, and we do check the quality of the code, and after that, if you look at these kind of badges, you know, this is the code quality, and this is the test coverage, and we have pushed it. The last thing I want to do is to create a release. So let's go over, yes, this one, and I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to create a release of v.2.2.0. So okay, so let's put this. I think I've made it. Git pull. Okay, so git tag point version 2.2.0, and to push it, okay, so So if you look at the code here, we are going to the releases here. Okay, we are going to draft a new release, and we are going to choose 2.2.0 and release. This is going to be, let me check out. Okay, v2. Okay, okay, v2. So v2.2.0, and you know what, I will open a new one here just to copy and paste quickly. Let's go to the releases. Okay, let's copy this. Okay, and here we are going to say fix it. Let's mention 28. Let's mention 29. Fixed docs. You know, not clear instructions. Okay, and docs. What else? Yes, not clear instructions in docs. Move duplicated or what is the name of it? Test case. Yes. So not clear instructions in docs. Moved methods that will always be used in the unit test to the parent class. This has to be, let's type it like this, capital. And the last thing is you know, showing the errors when the debug mode is enabled, like this. So if we fix it, 28, 29, okay, set as the latest release, and let's publish it. Okay, great. So if we look here, the latest version is version 2.2.0, which is actually the latest one we have updated here. So this is not an educational, or you know, it's something that you will not learn something, but this is basically I'm not sure how to say it, but this is basically you know, just we are doing some like online stuff with the Laragine package. So thank you very much for watching, and see you soon.